350 watt total power and 110 watt effective suction power. Yes, that's Tineco A10 Hero Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner can provide. In short, it's Dyson V8 in budget. Mine is A10 Hero, and there is another model with even more accessory, A10 Master. Everything is nicely packed and protected, as you can see, covered with plastic and held by cardboard. Rest assured that it will arrive your doorstep in perfect condition. There are service info card, quick start guide, and instruction manual in English and French. As usual, just go through it to get started. Docking station on the floor. Unlike other vacuums docked on the wall, you can put two tools, A10 main body, tubes with motorized brush, and extra battery there. Power adapter with US plug. It supports 100 to 240 volt input and having 0.8 amps output, can fully charge Tineco A10 in less than 5 hours. Yes, A10 has detachable battery. No need to worry about running out of battery anymore. Just get spare one will do. A10 Master come with 2 battery, by the way. This is the must-have crevice nozzle. Great for cleaning tight gaps and narrow spaces. Can be used in handheld or with tube to reach high up spaces. 2-in-1 dusting brush for cleaning upholstery, furniture, curtain, and can be used inside vehicle too. Just press the release button to remove the brushes and attach it back easily. The must-have extension tube. Perfect companion with coupled motorized brush, can attach crevice nozzle and 2-in-1 dusting brush too. This is the coupled motorized brush, ideal for rugs and carpets. Can also be used for vacuuming smooth floors too. You can remove the brush by unlocking the lock with a coin. Install back after clean will do. Yes, it comes with 5 LED lights that useful at dark corners. Never miss out any dust from now on. Mini power brush to vacuum upholstery, furniture, mattresses, and so on. One of the tools that I use every fortnight, suitable to vacuum pet hair and remove ingrained dirt. This is the accessory storage bag. Just keep those infrequently used tools there. Example, the mini power brush. Lastly, this is Tineco A10, light in weight and have a lot of similar functions as Dyson V8. Loaded with nice to hold rubber handle, having the same power trigger and come with a lock. Max power mode switch on top, 0.4 liter dustbin with ease to empty release button. 4 stages of fully sealed filtration system. Yup, it has the same design as Dyson with HEPA filter installed after the motor. That's great. As usual, just remove them one by one slowly will do. Then use water to clean them. Be sure to dry them up before installing back. Well, that's all for Tineco A10 Hero unboxing. A detailed review will coming out soon. Do thumb up to support me. Thanks for watching. Peace.